Hey y'all, Lee Geringer, General Sales Manager, Gilbert Ford in Okeechobee, Florida. Hey, I want you to go to our YouTube channel, like, subscribe, and then once you see all the content, I want you to share it with all your friends. Now, you're gonna be seeing a lot more videos like we're gonna be doing today. For an example, this 2021 F-450 FTX Tuscany package. This truck is built for solid meanness looking coming down the road. This truck has everything that you could want in a 450. And we're gonna go through that and show you that today. So follow me. All right, so what comes on this F-450 Tuscany package? Well, you can see the hood scoop. You can also see down here the LED lighting. The tow hooks, if you need to get towed or tow somebody out, they're there for you. In addition to that, look at the body lines that Tuscany went when they put this together. You're gonna see on the interior, it's completely loaded with all kinds of options. The body style, the way they design the mirrors, so you don't get a lot of drag. You're gonna see the flow of the air is gonna come down and away from the mirrors, so you don't get a ton of drag. The tires they put on this vehicle, 22-inch tires. Now, they're rated for the load rating, so if you have to tow a trailer, they're already rated for that because they're already applied. You have the blackout rims and the FTX off-road package, which has the extra suspension and the shocks, the coil-over shocks, which we like because it builds on the outside of it, gives you more stability. You'll see how stable this vehicle is, and we'll get into that as we go through this. Now, as you look down the side of the vehicle, you're going to see that they've also done the same thing on the dual wheels. 22-inch wheels, ply rating for towing, and the blackout package. All right. On the back side of it, they also put mud flaps. Obviously, when you're driving down gravel roads or dirt roads, you don't want your new Tuscany to get rock chipped. So they put those back there for your safety and for the cleanness of your vehicle. This has the full and completed tow package on this vehicle. So if you are needing to tow a trailer from the bumper, or you have a gooseneck or a fifth wheel, this is already set up for it. It has the package. If you look at the back side of this vehicle, you can see up in the tail light, there's a camera which shines directly down in to the bed of the truck to that hitch so that you cannot miss it. I mean, you would literally have to be just like, I don't know, maybe you had beer goggles on that day and you didn't see it, but it would be hard to miss it. It lines you completely up to it so you can't miss the hitch. It also has a tailgate step in it. This truck is a little bit higher, so you pull the tail step down, the handle comes up. This is non-skid, so you don't slip. Just grab a hold of it, pull yourself right up on in here. Now, with this 450, if you like down, if you take it to rodeos or you just take it to functions where you're pulling a trailer, whatever it might be, you have enough room in this bed where you could even dance around and have a little party if you wanted to. That's what it's designed for. So you have plenty of room, it's easy to get in and out of, and you have a tailgate step to make sure that you don't slip and fall. So you just pull that down, push that in, and then slide it in, pull this up, shove it in. And then this has torsion assist, so it's very easy to lift up. Very easy, all right? This has reverse sensors on it, so if you're backing up to a trailer or anything close, it's gonna start beeping within 6 feet of an object to let you know that the vehicle or whatever's back there, to be your trailer, your building, whatever you're backing up to, it's going to beep within 6 feet to let you know that it's back there. This also has cameras here as well. So if you are shining down to your hitch here, because you have a bumper pull, it's going to shine down to it so you can't miss it there either, with the Pro Trailer Backup Assist that this comes with. Tail lights. This has blind spots in the tail lights too. So if you have somebody coming up on your blind side or on your trailer, this is going to let you know that somebody's over there. So if you go to pass, it's going to let you know that somebody's there so you don't run over them. All right? Dual exhaust, blacked out as well. So as you can see, they went with a lot of exterior features to make sure that everything looked consistent. Consistency is one of the best things with this FTX Tuscany package that they put out. As you look down the side of this truck, obviously it's the same as the other side, but the detail that they put into it is what makes a difference on this FTX Tuscany package. built for off-roading, built for trailering, towing, and a lot of family fun with this truck. Now that you've seen the outside of the Tuscany F-450, I want to show you the inside. This is luxury at its finest. They put carbon fiber on all of the trim that's in here. So around the radio, the console, the steering wheel, this is all carbon fiber. Built strong, built tough, and it's going to last. As well as the FTX that they put on the seats, which you can see here on each seat. This has heated and cooled seating, full navigation system. This also has adaptive steering, and one of the things you're going to like about adaptive steering is that when you are backing this truck up and you need to get in tight spaces, the adaptive steering helps you not have to turn in such a large radius to get the turning ability that you need. This truck will turn pretty much on a dime. So when you're backing up a trailer or you're pulling into a tight spot, you're going to love the feature that with the adaptive cruise control, all of the safety features this truck has on it. Blind spot indicator, collision warning system, it pre-charges the brake system, so if you're driving down the road, something comes in front of you all of a sudden, it's going to pre-charge the brakes, apply the brakes, so that you don't get in a situation that you may not want to be in that day, right? And so with the sound system as well, and you have the 110 outlets in this vehicle, heated and cooled seating. Right here it's a 440 watt, 110. So you can plug anything into this. It's 110. You could, if your wife's doing her hair, you can put it in the blow dryer and the curling iron, and you'll be set for the road. All right, heated and cooled seats like we talked about. The Pro Trailer Backup Assist. So what this does is once you apply this and you set your trailer, and it's all in the owner's manual, you can set which trailer you want to put in the system, but use your Trailer Backup Assist and it'll guide you exactly to where you want your trailer to be. So through the camera system, all you do is hit this little dial once you turn it on, and then just it takes over and you steer it with this little dial, parks your trailer right where you need it. Another convenient feature along with the adaptive steering control. Awesome features. You also have, up here you have a panoramic vista roof and upfitter switches. So if you like, maybe you like stargazing with your wife or whoever it may be, just open up the panoramic vista roof and you can have a stargazing moment. As well as these upfitter switches. You can apply any electric, like a winch or anything like that. This will supply the power to that, okay? As you can see on the interior, it's blacked out. It has the B&O sound system, great stereo system, and the power sliding rear window. You're gonna love this truck. Now I want you to stay tuned because we'll be doing more videos like this, and I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I want you to share it with everybody and like it. Thank you so much. We look forward to seeing you on the next one.
Gilbert Ford in Okeechobee, where we speak y'all.